A fire which killed 2 teenagers and a baby was started deliberately as an act of revenge following a row over a stolen moped, a court has been told. Amy Smith, 17, was killed with her 6-month-old daughter Ruby-Grace Gaunt and friend Edward Green, 17, in the blaze at Langley Mill, Derbyshire. Prosecutors said the blaze last June was planned and set by Peter Eyre and his sons Simon and Anthony Eyre. The men all deny 3 counts of murder. Moped theft. Prosecution barrister James House QC told Nottingham Crown Court the catalyst for the attack was an argument over the alleged theft of a moped that belonged to Amy's boyfriend, Shaun Gaunt, 18, who was in the flat at the time of the fire. Alleging Peter Eyre, 44, Simon Eyre, 24, and 22-year-old Anthony Eyre drove to Langley Mill. Mr. House said of the blaze, it was set using petrol which had been poured in the area immediately outside the front door. Although Mr. Gaunt and the another teenager survivor escaped with the help of neighbors using ladders, Miss Smith and her daughter succumbed to smoke on a landing, while Mr. Green was found dead near the front door. That front door was the only means of entry and exit to the flat on the 2nd and 3rd floor. The jury heard the incident involved Mr. Gaunt, who had been told by a friend that a 3rd son of Peter Eyre had been involved in the theft of his moped. It was the theft of that moped that was to be the catalyst for the tragic events that followed. Rumors abounded as to whom was responsible for stealing it, Mr. House told the court. During the confrontation, Peter Eyre is alleged to have threatened Mr. Gaunt with a hammer, telling him to get off his garden. Damage was then caused to the windscreen of Peter Eyre's van and Mr. Gaunt was allegedly seen brandishing a broken bottle. Anthony Eyre has admitted 3 counts of manslaughter in relation to the blaze, having conceded he set fire to a car parked outside the flat without any intention to kill or cause serious harm. The trial continues.